Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Salesforce how to enable Agentforce. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To enable Agentforce in Salesforce, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Salesforce app, and then once you're there, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account. Then once you're logged into your account, in order to enable the Agentforce, what you need to do is enable Service Cloud. So to do it, head over and open up your setup, then search for company information and check the service clauses listed on the license. Then second is to enable omnichannel for routing. In setup, search for omnichannel settings, then click enable omnichannel, then set up the routing configurations, present configurations and queues. Then third is to enable Einstein bots. If you're using AI for agent support, in setup, search for Einstein bots, then click enable and create a bot and assign it to your messaging channel or web chat. Then fourth is to enable agent workspace. Search for app manager in setup, then edit or create a lightning app, and then ensure the service console is enabled and add standard components like case, knowledge, omnichannel and utility bar. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.